What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. It is May 2023. I'm going to give you a lot update. We got over 20 plus classic cars for sale. I'm going to go through every single car and give you the mileage, price, every good thing on them. Let's start with this 72 Super Beetle. This is a one owner car. We got the original paperwork from the owner. It's got 67,000 original miles in perfect condition. It is $14,000. We got a Porsche 924. This one's an 87 with 60,000 miles. Automatic transmission, super clean. This is $10,000. Got a 68 Pontiac GTO. This one is a garage find. It was owned by an elderly lady. Well, actually, it was owned by her brother, and she garaged it. It was their mom's car and dad's. This one is $27,500. Got this Pontiac Trans Am GTA. This one's an 89. It's got a 350 in it, Jasper motor. This one is listed for $9,500. Got this 73 Mustang Fastback Mach 1 Tribute with a 302. Car runs and drives beautifully. Got it listed at $15,000. Got a 63 Ford Fairlane Sports Coupe 500 with a V8 260. Well option car, power steering, AC car, tilt wheel, everything, bucket seats. One family owned from Allentown, Pennsylvania. This one is listed at $14,500. Clean undercarriage, good condition. Got a 71 Torino Fastback GT with a 351. This one is a 4-speed solid driver quality car, listed at $21,000. Then I got this 89 Toyota pickup truck. It's got 180,000 miles on it, but the head gasket was just done, timing chain was done, suspension, the frame is like new. Manual transmission. It's got the 22 RE 4-cylinder engine in it. This one is $14,000. Got a 51 International with a 350 Chevy. It's on a C10 chassis. It drives like a new truck. Power steering. It's what we call a retro mod. That one is $14,500. Then I got an 84 C10 Scottsdale long bed. It's only got 70,000 miles, one owner. This one is listed at $14,999. No rot, no rust. It is clean, real clean. Got this GMC. It's a project truck. It runs and drives, but it's got some rot in the quarter panel. Well, actually the dog leg under the doors. You open up the door, but it runs and drives good. Solid 350 motor in it. $5,500. Ford Bronco 2. It's got good miles on it. I believe 80,000. Runs and drives, no rust at all. Clean undercarriage. If you're looking for one of these Broncos, it's listed at $10,000. Clean paint, clean interior, AC. Got this Toyota 91 Land Cruiser. It's originally South Carolina. So again, no rust. I try to stay away from rust stuff for the most part. This one's $12,500. It's got 160K on it. Show you guys some projects and some upcoming cars too. We got this 86 BMW 325e. It's a coupe, manual transmission, unknown miles on it. The odometer stopped, but it drives pretty good. Needs to be gone through. That's why it's a project. It runs and drives. Interior's decent. This one's $37,500. It's got a little bit of rust on the undercarriage, back by the spare trunk, the floor, the spare in the trunk area. I got the FJ coming up, waiting on the title for it. This one's complete front end was redone. It was involved in an accident and they replaced all this front end. It's got nice tires on it, only 123,000 miles. It's lifted up, it's got everything. I mean, it drives really good. That one's going to be $16,500. Then we have our 2 box trucks. We got this one, we're turning into a coffee truck. We just finally, after 7 months, got the whole truck done mechanically. Besides, I just got to replace that back wheel. I'm getting a different wheel for it. Basically rebuilt the motor, transmission, replaced every single mechanical part in the car, fuel, a system, every system, whatever could be replaced was replaced on it. It drives like a new box truck. It's a 4-cylinder, so it's good on gas. Next week we're bringing it in the shop and we're going to cut out the window and then start on the wiring and then install all of our stuff and then get it wrapped. So hopefully a few months in it'll be done. Then we just got this one in. This one, the engine's making a little bit of noise, so I'm going to probably rebuild the motor in this and turn this into something cool. This is the next up and coming. I can't tell you guys what we're making it. That's a surprise, but it's gonna be awesome. Then I just got this Vet in. It's an 81. This thing is clean. It's got low miles on it. It's got no rot, no rust. It's owned by father and son. It's been garage kept since new. This one's $13,999. But I am working a deal with a client already on it. Then we got this Project Mustang over here. I think it's a 67, 68. It runs and drives, but it needs wheels. The interior is a little beat up, needs paint. 12.5 for this one as is. If not, I'll just reupholster the seat, change the wheels, throw a quick paint job on it, sell it for 15, 16K. This is a client's that's going to do a restoration on it or take it out of here, so that's not for sale. Then we come in here, I got this Jeep, doing a little bit of framework to it, and that'll be up. Got this sweet 66 Mustang resto mod. Thinking about keeping it. This thing is amazing. It's got a 5.0 fuel injected, 5-speed. It is clean. It's pretty much showroom, to be honest with you. It's in really good shape. Needs a radio. And then we get to the nicer stuff. I got a 67 bus split window, type 2, German made. This one is going to be 42.5. It's lowered. Engine's brand new, rebuilt, clean. We got the 69 Camaro 427 convertible with electronic fuel injection resto mod. This thing is clean, no rust, no rot. It is a Texas car originally. It's a great driver. This one is 50 G's. And then we have the 68 Shelby GT500 AC car, 4-speed manual transmission, 2-owner. Stood in the lady's garage forever. It's original paint, as you can tell. It has some flaws in the paint, but it's original. And this one is in my personal collection. I don't have it priced, but I would sell it for the right offer. This thing has no rust on it. It's really clean. It's my baby. Alright guys, appreciate you checking us out. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. We appreciate you checking out our page. We are ready to buy more classics, bring them to you every week. Subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Talk to you later.